Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and here I show to you some amazing automation techniques which can make your business process super smooth and your working super smart. And here in this video I would like to show you an automation by which you can add contacts in Flowloo application automatically when a module is created here in Zoho CRM application. As you guys already know that many website owners and business people use Zoho CRM as a customer relationship management application to interact with their customers and manage them, and they also use Flowloo application, which is a business collaboration tool where you can manage your finances and your invoices, right? But the issue here is there is no direct connection present between Zoho CRM and Flowloo. So if you have different teams working on these two applications, managing the data between the two teams and these two applications can be very difficult and tiresome process for you. So here my automation is going to help you a lot. So guys, the flow of our automation will look something like this. As and when a module is created here in Zoho CRM, what will happen? The person, the leads, the prospects you have added in the CRM here in a module will get added here in Flowloo application as a new contact automatically. And guys, to make this happen, the application I'm using is Pabbly Connect. So what Pabbly Connect will do, Pabbly Connect will connect these two applications together such that whenever a module is created, the details of the prospect you have entered here in this module will get added here in Flowloo application as a new contact automatically. Yes guys, this can happen, and the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me show you on my screen how you can also create this automation. So guys, now you can see on my screen my Zoho CRM applications dashboard, and here I have all these modules created already. So these are the predefined modules that we got in Zoho: leads, contacts, accounts, deals, activities, tasks, and meetings, and all that. And here you can also create a new module if you want, okay? And as and when we do an entry here in a module that we have here in Zoho, the details of that module, for let's say that I am adding a new lead here in this lead module, the same lead will be added automatically in Flowloo application in this contacts list. Okay, so let me show you. So I'm going to create a new lead here in this leads module, and here it is asking all these details. So let me fill the details first. So guys, I have filled the details of a new lead here like this. The name of the person is Harsha Yadav, and all the details it is asking, and what I have available, I have filled it here. Okay, so I'm going to click on save here, and you will see that a new lead created here as this Ms. Harsha Yadav in my Zoho CRM application. Okay, now let's check in my Flowloo application, the contacts list, if the same person got added here or not. So I'm refreshing this list here in my Flowloo, and here you can see a new contact added here as Harsha Yadav, and it has all the details that I have mentioned in my Zoho CRM. Okay, so you can see it is showing us the details like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen in real time. Now guys, let me show you how you can also create this automation. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can reach here by signing in Pabbly Connect. So guys, I have pasted the link of the page from where you can sign up in Pabbly Connect and log in. Okay, so do check that link, and after logging in you can reach the dashboard here like this. And guys, here you have to create an workflow of automation. So to start working, you have to create a workflow here, and to create a workflow you just have to click here on create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow also. Let me fill the name here. So guys, I have filled the name here as create contact in Flowloo on module entry in Zoho CRM. Okay, now you can click here on create button, and you can see your workflow getting created like this. Okay, so as and when your workflow get created, the two things you will find first here is this trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, that means when any event occur. The action says Pabbly Connect do this. That means as a response to that trigger, Pabbly Connect will perform a certain action. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new module entry or anything new added in any module here in Zoho CRM, and the action to that trigger would be to create a contact in Flowlu application. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and first we have to connect our trigger application with Pabbly Connect. So to do that, you have to choose your trigger application from this choose app field. So you can just type the name of the application here as Zoho, okay, and it will show you the list of all the applications you can connect, and here it is Zoho CRM. Okay, so select Zoho CRM from this list, and now it is asking for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be a new entry in module. Okay, so you can see here it is showing us these two options, and here in new module entry you can read here it triggers when a new entry is created in the specific module. Okay, so you have to select this option here, new module entry, and then click on connect. Okay, and from this window select add new connection option, and then click on connect with Zoho CRM. Okay, so here it is asking for the domain. You can see enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to. Okay, so our Zoho CRM belongs to Indian domain.in domain. I can show you this. You can see here zoho.in is written. Okay, so you have to put here your domain, your Zoho domain like this. Okay, zoho.in. Then click on save here, and it will ask for the access to fetch the data from Zoho CRM. So click on accept. Okay, and you can see like this the authorization is getting successful and it is connected. So we connected Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the module's name. So it is asking from which module you want to fetch the details of any contact or any person that you have added there, so that you can transfer the same person as a contact in Flowlu. Okay, so you can see in my Zoho CRM, I have all these modules here: leads, contacts, accounts, deals, activities. So let's say in this leads module, I am adding the details of leads. So I want to connect this module with Pabbly Connect, such that as and when I create a new lead here, the same lead will be added in my Flowlu application as a new contact. Okay, so in Pabbly Connect, you can select the module that you need to connect. So I'm selecting this leads module here. Okay, then click here on save and send test request. Okay, so as you click here, you will see it will start showing this waiting for response. This means now you have to do a test submission. That means you have to create a demo entry or a test entry in this module that you have selected, so that we can capture the data of the new entry, and we are going to use the same data to send and create a contact in Flowlu application. Okay, so it is saying waiting for the response. So let's create a new or a demo entry in our Zoho CRM. So I am in my Zoho CRM again, and here I am in my leads module. Okay, and let's create a new lead here by clicking on create lead. Okay, and let me enter the details again. Okay guys, so I have filled the information of a new lead here as this. You can see the name is Heather Khan and all the details that I have of this lead like this. Okay, so now I'm going to click on save here, and a new lead is created here as this, Mr. Heather Khan. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we captures the data, and you can see the data of a new lead is captured here already. You can see it is saying leads, module name leads. Okay, and the owner name of the dashboard of Zoho, the owner's email, and here is the details of the leads, the email ID of the lead, the industry he belongs to, and all other details like this. Okay, now what we need to do, we want to add this same person in our Flowlu application as a new contact. For that, what you have to do, click here on this action window below, and from this choose app field, now you have to choose your action application, which is Flowlu. So type here Flowlu. Okay, so this is Flowlu here, select it, and now you have to select the action event. What action you want to apply whenever you got a new entry in Zoho CRM. So we want that whenever we got a new entry, a new contact will get created automatically in Flowlu. So you have to select create contact option. Let me show you. So guys, you have to choose this option, create CRM account in bracket contacts. So it is showing, it is written here, creates a new contact in CRM. So click on it, okay, and then click on this connect button. And from this window, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key and the account URL of your Flowlu application. So to get these things, you have to actually log into your Flowlu account, and in the system settings, you can read this text here, navigate to the system settings page, and you will find the account URL and your API key available under API settings option. So let me show you. So I'm in my Flowlu application again, and here I'm scrolling down on the left hand side, and here I have this option called as system settings. Okay, so you have to click on system settings like this, and here it is showing us the account URL, you can see. So you just have to copy this account URL from here like this, okay, and paste it here in this account URL field like this. So make sure you remove these spaces in between. These spaces are not required here. It should be in a complete string without spaces like this, okay, like a URL. And for the API key, you have to go to your account settings again, and here in the main settings, you will find this API settings option. Click on it, okay, and here is your API key. So you just have to copy this key from here like this and paste this key here in this API key field in Pabbly Connect like this. Then click on save, and you will see that will be connected with Flowlu application as well. Okay, so you can see it started showing connected here. And here it is asking for the honorific title ID. So you can give the title to the contact you are creating, Mr., Mrs., or anything you want. So I am selecting here Mr. only. And in the first name, okay, now we have all these fields to fill to create a contact in Flowlu application. So we are going to use the same data that we have got here in the first step like this, okay, right? So we are going to map these details here in this second step, okay? So why we are mapping these things? Because when you map the data, what will happen whenever you got a new contact or anything new added here in Zoho CRM in any module, the same details of any contact or any person will be fetched here automatically first here in the first step. Then it will be automatically added here in the second step when you map the things, and it will be automatically create a new contact in Flowlu. Okay, so first of all, let us map the first name. To map the things, you have to click here on the field, and here you'll find the Zoho CRM new module entry option available. Click on it, and here you'll see all the details you have collected in the first step. Okay, so for the first name, you just have to scroll down here a bit more, and you'll find the first name of your contact or that you want to create like this. You can see here's the first name, just map it, okay, and in the last name, just map the last name from the same place, okay. So I'm scrolling down again, and here you can see I have the first name and the last name is here, okay, right. Now it is asking for the email address, so you'll find the email address also from the same place. So this is the email address, I have mapped it. So you can write the description also. You can select the category of this person. So if it is an investor, a partner, or an analyst or competitor, so I'm making it as a customer, okay. You can select the industry he belongs to, so I'm making it construction. And I do not have all these details now, so I'm leaving these things blank. And I have actually phone number, so I'm mapping the phone number only. You will find the phone number also. Let me see here. So this is the phone number in the data phone label, okay, map that. And now it is asking for all these things. So if you have all the details, you can map all the details. For now, I am leaving these things blank. So in the last, it is asking for the owner ID. So you can see the owner ID is automatically selected here as this, okay. And this is actually the email ID of the person who have created a dashboard here in Flowlu. So you can see in this dashboard, it is showing us the name and the email ID of the owner of the Flowlu's dashboard. And here it is selected automatically, Right now, when you click here on save and send test request, these details that we have filled here, according to that, a new contact will be added here in our flow loop. Okay, in the contact section. Let me show you the contact section here, and you will find it in the CRM. Click on CRM, and here we have the contacts list. Okay, and we have already all these contacts here, and let me click here on save and send test request in Pabbly Connect here, and let's see if the connection with Flowlu is working properly or not. And here you can see it started showing this response here. Response ID is created here. Now let's check in Flowlu. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this page here, the contacts page in our Flowlu, and here you can see Heather Khan as a new customer, as a new contact is added here in Flowlu. Okay, automatically, right? So our connection with Flowlu is working properly and our workflow is also completed. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger, we connected our trigger application, which was Zoho CRM. Then we collected the details of a test entry in a leads module in Zoho CRM like this. Okay. After that, in this actions tab, I connected my Flowlu application to create a contact and then mapped the details that we got from the first tab like this. And when I clicked here on save and send test request, you have seen that a new contact get added here in Flowlu. Okay. Now you just have to click on save. And guys, you can use this same workflow that I have just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you got any query regarding our business automation, you can ask and discuss your queries from this forum. And guys, if you want to check the pricing of this application, you can use this link. And if our automations are helping you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.